My name is Ariel White, and I will be going over the subjunctive with verbs of will and influence. This is used when you want your words to affect the actions or behaviors of other people. For example, Enrique quiere que salgamos a cenar. Enrique wants us to go out to dinner. Some frequently used words for will and influence are aconsejar, decir, importar, insistir, mandar, querer, recomendar, rogar, seguir. When the main clause has a verb or expression of will and influence, then the subjunctive is required in subordinate clause that has two clauses to have different subjects. Here you can see that used in this example. Mi mamá prefiere que yo saque la basura. You see in the main clause it has the verb of will, and in the subordinate clause it has a subjunctive, and que as the connector. Indirect object pronouns are often used with aconsejar, mandar, prohibir, rogar, importar, pedir, recomendar, and seguir. For example, te aconsejo que estudies. I advise you to study. Le sugiero que vaya a casa. I suggest that he go home. You see, the indirect pronoun agrees with the subject of the subordinate clause. The use of te, because tu is the subject of estudies, and le, because él is the subject of vaya. Most of the present indicative forms of prohibir take a written accent over the I immediately following the H. However, in the vosotros form, take accent over the second I. You see that in prohibis. And in nosotros form, doesn't take any accent at all, prohibimos. But in all other forms, you see the accent is following immediately after the H. If there isn't a change in subject, use an infinitive after the verb of will and influence. For example, no quiero sacudir los muebles, which means I don't want to dust the furniture. And finally, Paco prefiere descansar. Paco prefers to rest. I hope that helps.